Welcome back guys, but if you're new, that helps support my channel by liking and subscribing. Also help me reach the 600 subscribers. On my channel I make quick tips and tricks pair skits. You're not wasting time to watch a 20-minute video when I can make it 5 minutes less. Also I make pair skits for you guys' entertainment. On my channel I do a shout out for a new subscriber once a week. But if you didn't get a shout out, it's alright because I do shout outs for those who donate, who gives me video ideas, and then also I do shout outs for shout outs. So as you see, I'm not in my YouTube studio right now because my laptop's still getting fixed. But it's alright because today I'll be doing an unboxing video, so I'm going to keep it as natural as possible. So I got a couple of packages, but this one was open because my dad also has the same name as me, so he didn't know if it was his, but it's alright. So this box right here is from my Amazon wishlist, and I thank Philip Zara for sending me this. And if you would like to help support my channel and help me improve my YouTube studio, then I'll be leaving my Amazon wishlist and a link in the description. So right here is my setup. Here I have a phone clamp so I can put on my tripod since I've been using my phone right now, and then you know, it's basic. It's not something what I use like when I'm using my studio. So that's my setup right now. So I got a camera clamp so I could clamp up my camera anywhere I want. Also I got like one of those orange filters for like the lights for like during daytime, and then nighttime I'll need to use a blue filter. Let's see. Oh, and then I got a bunch of adapters. I run out of these a lot, so I really appreciate him for sending me all of these things. Oh, I really apologize. I forgot to do shout out. So, let me see. So today's shout out goes out to Dustin Bushnell. Alright guys, now let me continue. So these are like the clamps I could attach my camera to. I could just like clamp it wherever I want. I have two of them. See? And then this is like a roll filter, so I could like put over like my lights or whatever, so it could like give it like a warm effect during the daytime. But nighttime, you shouldn't use this. You should use a blue filter. Now, for the one I've been waiting for a while now, it took me 3 times to try and buy from different places. I bought off like Adorama, I believe the company, and then the other one was B&H Video and Camera website, and then also Best Buy, and I finally got it. You know, I waited for about a month. And this is a Zve10 camera. Let's see what it looks like. Are you guys ready? That's what it looks like. It's really nice. I need to be careful with this. I've been investing in new tripods because it keeps falling over. And imagine if it was from this. Like, I mean, imagine if this was on the tripod, then it would really suck if I end up breaking this like $800 camera. You know, the GoPro is very like strong and rugged, so it's alright. At least I was glad that my tripod ended up falling on my GoPro and stuff like that, because it's pretty much like kind of cheaper than this. So at least I know what equipment I need to improve on. So yeah. Let's see what else. It comes with a charger. Oh, the mic muffler thing, it goes like from the, this is where the mic is at. Comes with the strap, the charger thing, and then the battery. Let me see. I will show you guys what it looks like. Right now I'm using my phone camera because it's better quality for this phone at least. But the other phone I used, it was horrible quality. I made a video about that. So, let me see. So this is the battery. Of course, it needs to be charged, so I can't really show you. But I'll be making a video. Let me see. It's down here. I'll be making a video of using this camera. I just need to learn like how to use it and stuff. There's a pin to take the battery out and stuff. Let me see. I believe it goes this way. Let me see. I don't want to break it. It should have. Oh, it goes this way, I believe. There we go. And then I have the SD card. I have the small one, but it's alright because I have like one of those like SD card adapters so I could put the little one inside like a bigger one. That's what I use when I edit. I just like I transfer my files through like SD card and I put it in my laptop. So of course I can't use it right now. And plus I need to change the settings. So straight out the box, it's probably not going to be like how I want it. Like the ISO, the white balance and stuff like that. It's probably not what I want. Let me see if it will turn on anyways. Oh, there's on. Yeah, it's dead. So it definitely needs to be charged because there's the on switch right here. It's on, but it's not turned on yet. So it definitely needs to be charged. I'm glad it has, oh wait, it pinches. I'm glad it has the protector piece. Let me see. And this is mirrorless for those who are wondering. And how you will know if it's, let me see. Oh, okay, yeah. I thought I wasn't going in, but it was. Easy way to know if it's mirrorless or not is how like thick it is. The DSLR cameras, it'll be really big and heavy, and try to hold it, it's gonna be really hard. This is probably like 15 pounds, or I don't know, I'm not really that good with weight, but about 10, 15 pounds, I don't know, it's decent. You know, I don't want to be bouncing everywhere because I don't want to drop it. But anyways, it's really nice. I'll be also leaving like I mentioned, my Amazon wishlist in link description because I really need a case for this because I do not want to break this. I want to get like a metal cage for this. Also, when I'm vlogging in 4K, it's going to crop. And so there's like an adapter piece you just like screw on. So it's like a wide angle lens, and that'd be great because it's going to be like cropped in and I'm be like close up to the camera. And then also there's like one of those like sunglasses lens you attach to, and you could like adjust, like dial in like how like much sun exposure goes in. Of course you could use like the aperture and ISO and stuff, but it's much better, you know, using like that adapter piece. But you'll see what I mean. I'll be leaving links description, you know, you can check it out, see what I mean. And then let me see. Oh, and then something I want also like try to get is I forgot what it's called. It's like the cone. It's like the attachment cone piece you go on, and it's to like reflect like the light. I have a brain fart right now. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, I want to try to get one of those because if I go outdoors, it's gonna be like a lot of like light flares and stuff like that. I really like how this flips out this way because if you was to flip it up and you have the mic right there, it's gonna suck. You know, you can't really see it. You know, what's the whole point of having this if you can't see it? You know, and then also I want to try to save up for a monitor, which is going to be just like this, but much bigger, and so I can actually see myself, see if my lighting's right. You know, because it takes me a while to adjust the lightings. You know, and make sure it's like not too overexposed. Um, but you know, I need to like go on YouTube, check out like how to set this up. This is my first actual camera. I use GoPro, so it's not as like advanced as this. But you know, I use Premiere Pro and I learned it in pretty much a day, so I'm pretty sure it'll be easy for me to learn this. Oh, and then also I used to use Filmora 11, but it's like $45 a month to just, you know, renew my plan, and it's very expensive. And I was checking out Premiere Pro, and it's only like 25 bucks, I think, 20 or 25 bucks a month, and it's about to expire in a couple of days. My laptop, it should be actually it was shipped. It's not getting fixed. My apologies. It's shipped, and I'm just waiting for it to come back so I can start editing for you guys. So right now I've been doing live videos suck for me personally. Like, it looks too staticky, and you know, but anyways. Oh, so let me show you the back piece. So this is what it looks like. um so yeah, and then I've heard that the lens filter is not as great like the one that comes with the camera. The stock lens is not as great, I've heard. Let me see. This is a 3.5 to 5.6. I'm still learning about all these stuff, so I need to do more research on it. But great thing is this is 4K. But if I was to like use this camera to edit, I wouldn't be able to because some like phones, they don't do 4Ks and you can't transfer your files. So that's what sucks. So I need to wait for my laptop to do my editing. So, and then my video, when I do upload it, it's gonna be an old video, and also it's gonna be an old shout out. So yeah. But anyways, I appreciate my friends and my fans for like helping me like try and improve my YouTube studio. Just something I just like like of course I don't need any of these equipment, but it's something I want to improve. I see on YouTube like these people like I look up YouTube studio setups, and they have like fancy stuff, and it's just my goal is to improve. I have nothing better to do, so since my laptop's been broken, I had like nothing better to do. So I've been bored pretty much. So yeah, I need to check this out. This is very great. I need to put the strap on there to make sure I don't drop it if I like hold it like, without my tripod. So yeah, I haven't dropped my GoPro recently, so that's a good thing. I'm getting better, and then also my tripods are more wider, so it's more like stable versus like the thinner legs, they're more like narrow, so it just like tips over. It's very irritating when I'm trying to set up, everything looks good, and then I'm about to go in front of my green screen and I freaking like topple over like my tripod, or it moves, and it's very frustrating trying to set up in a wheelchair, especially cords everywhere, and I had like wheelie over it. So I hope you guys appreciate my videos, and also I appreciate my fan support, and also my friends, of course. My friends that are very supportive is Philip Czar, Thomas Chastain. I apologize if I butcher your last name. Dan Brittain, and also his wife Linda Brittain. So let me see. And then Dennis Hannick. I forgot his last name. But those are the only like 4 or 5 people, because Dan's wife, that were only supportive, or not, I wouldn't say only, but usually buy me like a lot of stuff. Like even if I don't ask for it, they'll send me money, and then sometimes I will ask, and I kind of like, I feel bad like keep asking like these 4 friends of mine, like, hey, can you help me like with adapters, or my tripod broke, I need to get better lights, my umbrella light broke, but it's all right, because with my umbrella light, I've made this filter for my light. This is my main light, and then I have like the fill light like in the background. So I have like 2 umbrella lights like 45 degrees angles for me, because you're not supposed to have the light in front of you. But anyway, so I made this using foam paper, and I just like add the umbrella light, and I just like foam paper around it to make it look better, and then I just like put it back on there just like that. Oops. There we go, just like that. And so it's like a soft box, so it's not as harsh light, and so yeah, let me readjust this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my unboxing video for today. Let me see if that's everything I need to tell you guys. So yeah, this video is very natural. I'm recording on my phone. I'm not really going to do any editing. I want you guys to see like, my unboxing video is supposed to be, fun and entertaining for you guys. It's not supposed to be quick. Like I make my videos quick to help you guys learn something right in the moment. Of course I don't talk that fast. You check out my vlogging videos, I talk normal. It's just I edit it, like I edit out any like parts that I pause a lot, so it makes it also sound faster too. So I apologize on that. I'll try to talk slower, and also I'll try to add some more pauses in my videos to make it feel more natural. But also leave in the comments below what I could do better in my videos. And yeah, I know I haven't been doing much skits, but and then also I might be starting putting my dog in my videos, because I know a lot of people like my dog. But yeah, but I'm really like thankful for my friends helping me to buy this $800 camera. So because GoPro sucks like indoors, it's not studio camera, it's meant to be outdoors in the sun, because it's not good with low lighting because the sensor is small. But anyways, that's it for this video. This video was entertaining and educational. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Till next time, bye.